Hello everybody, nice to see you and welcome back to our short video lesson today. And in this today video lesson, I will share with you all to the news point that is called compressing times. Compressing times. Before I let you know to this new point, I'm gonna ask you some question according to the old point that you studied last week. So last week, what was it about? About civil war in DRC, right? What does this DRC mean? What does this DRC stand for? It stands for Democratic Republic of Congo, right? It means what happened in Democratic Republic of Congo? Who can answer the questions? Can you pause this video for a second and also answer? Any answer together? Okay. The event that happened in the Congo, DRC, it means civil war, right? Yes, it was civil war. The question that I continue to ask you, when was the civil war in the DRC? When was the civil war in the DRC? Okay, the civil war in the DRC. What? It was in 1998. Yes, the civil wars in the DRC, was in 1998. And when did it end? We're gonna answer. When did it end? Yeah, it ended officially in 2003 with the establishment of a traditional government. So the civil wars in the Democratic Republic of Congo, or for short, the DRC, it was in 1998, and also it officially ended in 2003. Yeah, with the establishment of a transitional government. Okay, right now please move on to the new points that we are gonna learn to the compressing time. Compressing time. So wait. Okay, the same as each week, everybody have to know to the new terms. So the first one is compressing time. Compressing times មានការបង្រួមពេលវេលា compressing times. And also theme, we pronounce this word theme. Theme mean the main subject of a talk, book, films, etc. That is called theme. Theme, we pronounce it theme. Do not is theme, or do not is call, or do not is pronounced Sam, no, theme. Theme, it means the main subject of the talk, book, film, etc. That is called theme. ប្រធានបទសំខាន់ ប្រធានបទគោលឡើងទៅ yes. And also traditional spatial boundaries. Traditional spatial boundary. It means that spatial, it means relating to the positions, area, and size of things. That is called spatial. Spatial here. This word, spatial. Traditional spatial boundaries. ព្រំប្រទល់លំហបែបប្រពៃណី In our Khmer language, it means ព្រំប្រទល់លំហបែបប្រពៃណី And the next one is temporal. Temporal, it means relating to worldly as opposed to spiritual affairs. Secular, relating to worldly as opposed to spiritual affair. Secular, it means our language is lokai. And velocity, velocity is the speed of which an object is traveling. Velocity. And the next one, acceleration. acceleration, the increase in the speed at which something happen ការពន្លឿន yeah ការពន្លឿន ឬក៏លឿន yeah acceleration. Don't forget to try to pronounce after my pronunciation in each word. Acceleration ការពន្លឿន and transistors. I mean a small electrical device containing a semiconductor used in television, radios, etc. to control or increase an electric current. It means transistor. Yeah, transistor. And the next one, semiconductor. Yeah, semiconductor. Semiconductor material such as silicon that allow electricity to move through it more easily when its temperature increases, or an electronic device made from this material. Yeah, គ្រឿងអេឡិចត្រូនិក yeah electronic. Yeah. And the next one, astonishing. Yeah, astonish. Actually this word has no ing. The original of this word is astonish. It has no ing. Mean very surprising. Yeah, very surprising. ភ្ញាក់ផ្អើល yeah ភ្ញាក់អញ្ចឹងទៅឬក៏ភ្ញាក់ផ្អើល and speed up. Yeah, speed up to happen or move faster, or to make something happen or move faster. Yeah, បង្កើនល្បឿន yes បង្កើនល្បឿន speed up. Okay, move on to above. Moore's law. Yes, Moore's law. Moore's law is an observation made by Gordon E. Moore. He a co-founder of Intel company. Yes, Intel company, that the number of transistors that can be placed on a circuit, we pronounce circuit. Yeah, circuit, I mean a closed system of wires. Yeah, wires or pipes through which electricity or liquid can flow. Circuit. Yeah, circuit. Circuit. We pronounce circuit. Circuit. Yeah, circuit. That can be placed on a circuit will double approximately every 2 years. It is also used more generally to refer to the rapid pace. Yeah, pace. Pace, I mean the speed of which something or something move, or which something happen or changes. Sorry, ល្បឿន ឬក៏ជំហាន yeah pace of technological change in the late 20th century. Yeah, 20th century. Yes, this is the Moore's law. I mean Moore is the co-founders of Intel company. And also this Moore, yes, the Moore law. Okay, take a look at it together. Moore law, it is made, the first one I tonight, sorry, for you in 2 points. Yeah. In the first one, it is made to predict the past for the technological revolution, and the second one is this Moore's law states that computer capacity will increase from time to time and reduce costs even more. Yeah, this Moore's law, he predict like this. Okay, right now please let's read together, and everybody you have to know and also remember this Moore's law. He predicts the cost, yeah, of the computers, that computer capacity will increase from time to time and reduce cost even more. Yeah, it reduce cost even more. Let's read together. Why do we say compressing times? Another common theme frequently discussed by globalization scholars is the compression time of time. Yeah, globalization disrupts not only traditional spatial boundaries but it is also, yes, also temporal ones. Yeah, temporal ones. It's not only in traditional to disrupt, yeah, to disrupt the traditional spatial boundary, but also temporal ones. Increasingly, increasing the velocity of social activity. For example, high-speed communication and transportation technologies compress time. Yeah. Also, when people want to make communication a communication from each other from country to country, it also compress the time to make it smaller than before. They 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 can speak through the internet, like using the mass media like Facebook, like Instagram, Telegram, like, yes, and using the computer to send the message to each other. That's why they say that this high-speed communication and transportation technology compress time and doubling fast flows and movement of people, information, capital, and goods. Moore's law provides example of this acceleration, illustrating how the compression of space and time are often linked. Yeah, linked. In 1965, Intel coworker Gordon Moore predicted that the number of transistors that could be put on a chip would double every year. Yeah, would double every year. In 1979, he updated his prediction to every 2 years. Yeah, he updated his prediction to every 2 years, and it has remained a guiding principle for the semiconductors industry. Yeah, the effort to put more transistors on a chip meant that the transistors themselves would have continually to get smaller, but it also meant that processing power would continually increase, making computer faster. Indeed, computers have continued to get smaller and faster at an astonishing rate, allowing information to circle the globe in seconds. News, personal communication, new personal communication, and the exchange of goods and services have all been speeding up as well. That's why uh, it's rare to say compressing time. Yeah, compressing times rate to compressing times. And also in this point, let everybody know about the time that people use from a year to year by using the mass media or technology. And Mr. Morey, and he he invented the theory, the law, yes, the law of this, that the numbers of transistors can be placed on a circuit will double approximately every 2 years. It is also used more generally to refer to the rapid pace of technological change in the late 20th century. Okay, so uh, everybody have to know about the Murray laws, and here I have 2 points for all of you, the same as I mentioned about. The first one, it is made to predict the past for the technological revolutions of the media of the technology. And the second one, this Moore's law state computer capacity will increase from time to time and reduce cost even more. Okay, so that finished about the compressing times. If everybody has questions, you can ask me through our groups, or you can send me as private about your questions. Goodbye. See you. Good luck.